Located next to Osceola National Forest at the intersection of Interstate 75 and 10 is Lake City, the gateway to Florida. And nestled in its historic district is Hare's Mower Parts and Repair, a Rotary dealer for nearly 30 years. The first person you usually hear or see when you walk in the front door is Judy Hare, a vivacious lady who remains actively involved in the family business that was founded in 1935.
Well, Hare's was a Western auto store. My husband died in 1973, and I started trying to run it. I had small children. We did fair for a while. I was really in bad financial straits because things had gotten worse and worse. I made my spring order with Western Auto. All the blades and stuff came in, and it had Rotary Mower Company from Glenville, Georgia on it. And I decided that if they could buy them from me, maybe I could. And I called, and Rotary sent Roy Acuff to see me. And it was from that to this.
He was the only company that would help us or sell us anything on credit because we were struggling financially. And everybody else was COD, but Rotary let us do credit, which was amazing. And my mama has loved that company ever since because it got us out of a deep hole that we're in.
Judy will be the first to tell you she is old school and not computer savvy. But don't let that fool you. She and her daughter Tracy have built a successful outdoor power equipment business thanks to determination, a strong work ethic, and some help from their friends at Rotary.
I'm not a computer or cell phone girl. I'm from old school. I like the book. And I like to talk to somebody when I'm ordering. You just dial the number of Rotary, they answer the phone. The nicest ladies in the world. And they help you every way they can, and they're always happy and cheerful. In fact, we have a personal relationship, and we have never met, most of us.
That's her thing. That is what she likes to do. She loves Rotary, and she's very true and loyal to them. And I don't blame her because I am too.
It wasn't easy for the Hare family to recover from a devastating fire that swept through their store 2 decades ago and shut down operations for nearly a year. But it didn't take long for them to realize Rotary was still here for them.
If it had not been for Rotary working with me, I wouldn't have made it. And that's a fact.
Over a day, 24-hour period, we could order one day and get it the next afternoon.
Judy likes to tell it like it is. There's no holding back this spry businesswoman. She likes Rotary parts, and it shows, especially the everyday low prices.
Just about everything in my store comes from Rotary. Copperhead blades are the best blades we have ever ordered in our store. You can buy them for less and sell them for less.
And while Rotary employs the latest technology and 24/7 online ordering at rotarycorp.com, people remain our biggest asset. Our sales professionals take the time to get to know you. We learn about your business and how we can best serve your parts needs. Rotary dealers can expect exceptional service and a higher profit margin thanks to Rotary's flexible payment options, special sales promotions, and pre-season booking programs. You don't always know when you'll need parts, but it's always good to know that Rotary can deliver what you need when you need it most, the very next day. Most Rotary orders are processed and filled the day they are received, ensuring next-day delivery to over 80% of the USA with a fill rate of 95%.
You rarely have back orders, rarely. And if they hadn't got it in Georgia, they got it in Florida or some other state, and they would ship it right to you.
From minor repairs to complete engine overhauls, Rotary has the parts it takes to get the job done. And our best-selling Copperhead mower blades are engineered to perform better, last longer, and cut with powerful force.
You see a Rotary blade and it says Copperhead, buy it. You won't never buy another blade. Made in the USA with American steel. Copperhead blades are the best you will ever get.
Those are the best blades on the market.
We sell, boo koodles. I bet you we ordered over 1,500 Copperhead blades this year, and we'll sell those and more because they're a good heavy-duty blade, and the customers really like them.
Rotary has built powerful partnerships with servicing dealers since 1957. Today, we are ready to build a powerful partnership with you.
Rotary does business the right way.
The customer service, the fact that it's family owned, we're family owned, and I think that when you're family owned, it's the whole place, even though you're not really actually part of the family, it becomes a family.
And I said, I'm glad to see you. I'm going to chew you out.
And she knows I enjoy being treated like that.
Yeah. And
Because it's family.
To become a Rotary dealer, call 1-800-841-3989 or visit rotarycorp.com.